If you've got a small yard, a carport, or just a patio to keep clean, this Cobalt blower and trimmer combo might be the last one you buy. But if you're working with a big lawn, stick around, because there's one upgrade that changes everything. Let's dig in. Today I'm reviewing the Kobalt 24-volt blower and trimmer set. I've been using both of these since last year, and I'll show you some real footage of me installing the battery, running the tools, and the actual results on my grass and walkway. Then I'll tell you exactly who this is for and who should skip it. First up, the blower. Installing the battery is dead simple. Just slide it in until it clicks. Here's it cleaning off the wall. One thing I like is the variable speed control. You can dial it down for delicate cleanup or crank it up for wet leaves and debris. Build quality seems solid. Nothing rattles and the nozzle attaches securely. Now the trimmer. First thing, the handle adjusts to fit your height, which matters if multiple people in your house will be using it. You just flip this lever and move the handle, and then you just flip it back to lock it in place. So I want to show you how to remove the string. You just push on both sides and it pops off, and you can see here's the spool, how it goes in. It has some gears, and the gears go down towards the bottom and it slides on, and you feed the string up through this slot right here on both sides. Once you get the string in, you just slip the cap back on carefully and pop it back into place, and that's it. So I want to give you an idea of how the grass looked before I used the trimmer, and I had 300 feet of this type of grass, and as you can see here, all that grass is gone. It was just like the other side. There was a lot of grass all through here, even here through the driveway. So this is like 100 feet I just walked, and there's 200 more feet through here. And down here I had to use the weed eater around this pipe, around this tree where these roots are. Quite a bit of grass you can see is here. All in all, I used one whole spool of trimmer string. Now let's talk power. This kit comes with a 4 amp hour battery, which was enough for, small jobs before needing a charge. If you check prices, the 4 amp hour battery runs about $43. And the replacement 6 amp battery is only about $36 and has good reviews. And here's my honest opinion. No matter which battery size you go with, buy 2. That way, one's always charging while you're working, and you'll never get stuck mid-yard with a dead battery. So here's the bottom line. If you've got a small area, a carport, a patio, a small yard, this combo is fantastic. Lightweight, easy to use, and the 4 amp hour battery will get you through the job without breaking a sweat. But if you have a larger property, I'd strongly recommend upgrading to the 6 amp hour battery. The 4 amp hour just won't keep up with the bigger jobs, and you'll be stopping to recharge more than you're actually working. Either way, get 2 batteries. It's the difference between finishing your yard in one session or waiting around for a charge. If this review helped you decide whether the Kobalt blower and trimmer are right for your yard, do me a favor, hit that like button and subscribe for more honest tool reviews before you buy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. And check out my video on Ego Lawn Tools.